Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a bundle because if I know my followers very well, they're going to love this one. It's going to be a must-have. It is so stinking adorable. This is, let me show them to you first. They're so cute. Look at these. These are the, what are they calling it? Takeout treats, but it is like one of those little takeout boxes. So it's the Takeout Treats Bundle, and this is the stamp set, and then this is the framelits that go with it. So if you buy these together, you save 10%, but oh my goodness, this is going to be a year-round thing for me, for sure. These are so cute, and this one, everything is done for you, and it's so simple and easy. But look at, I put some little, these are the Jelly Belly Harvest Selection Mix. It's so cute because it's got little chocolates in it too, little foiled chocolates. I love that little, but this is really easy to go together. I don't know, I just seem to struggle with this part, but so it folds up like that. You don't even have to put a ribbon. I thought the ribbon was really cute on this one, so I went ahead and put a ribbon on it. This is the Christmas one, and this one I used with the Many Blessings stamp set. I did a Facebook Live. I used this Many Blessings, and I made a little treat holder, or not a little treat holder, but I made a treat bag with it, with candy corn, and I used this little stamp here and the Many Blessings, but on this one I just used the Many Blessings and this little sunflower right here. I used to stamp the backgrounds of the two little tags. There's so many options with this. It is so cute. You can also, with the framelits, you can also cut a window in this. You'll be seeing one, I'm sure, from me, because you know how I am about windows, but I'm super excited to share these with you because they're so quick and easy, and they're so fun, and they look, I mean, they're small, but it's about 2 inches wide, 2 inches tall, and it's about 2 inches at the very top wide. So they're really a good size. I mean, I didn't think I was going to fit that much candy. This has 2 of the large truffles in it, the Lindor truffles. So you can fit like Hershey's Kisses in here, all kinds of little things. Even if you wanted to make a cute little gift and put it inside there. A little necklace or bracelet or something like that would be really cute. I think these are the ones I'm going to use this year for my mom's nursing home because they go super quick and easy, and you can make, you know, a bunch pretty quickly. So look how cute they are. I just think they're adorable. I used some linen thread on here, and the buttons I use is the True Gentleman button. This one's paper pumpkin. This one is pumpkin pie, and then I used crushed curry and berry vanilla on here. But we are going to make this one because Christmas, I just love it. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So you are going to need a piece, and this is from, you know, my favorite designer series paper I've been using a ton of, the Santa's Workshop. It's this one here, and this is the one that you can cut. I don't know if you haven't seen my my Facebook Live, but here is a little treat holder that I shared on that. That's using the same designer series paper, and these little elves are from that designer series paper too. But this piece, it's 5.5, but it is about 9 inches long. So you're going to be able to cut both of your box parts out of this. And then you'll need some Whisper White to stamp, and the little holly, which you can cut the holly out too. Here's a little one for the holly. And then I'm going to show you that here in a minute. And then I also am using this one right here, and we're going to stamp the Ho 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 off of the candy cane season. I'm using this Ho 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 here, and I just, to give it a little bit more interest, I wanted to stamp the Ho 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 on here. So let me go ahead and stamp first, because I can run all these through at the same time then. So let's go ahead and stamp the Ho 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 that is in here. I forgot to put that one on and we're going to use Poppy Parade because that's the color in this designer series paper. So I'm just going to stamp that right here. And then we're going to stamp some Christmas cheer for you. I need to clean off my stamp. I don't like to leave, especially the red, I don't like to leave, it stains it, but it's okay, it doesn't affect the way that it works, but I usually like to clean them really quick. And then some Christmas cheer for you is from the Takeout Treats. So we're going to do that one here. And then we're going to do, I'm doing it in the Memento Black, but then we're going to do one little holly leaf because I already did two, because I didn't want you to have to sit and watch me color it and run it through 3 times to cut. So I'm just going to grab a couple of my blends. So I'm using the Poppy Parade in the light and dark shaded spruce. So we're just going to color the little berries here. And then we're going to use the light first to color the holly. And we're going to try to run these through at the same time. And then I'm just going to highlight the center line here. Okay, so what I'm going to need off of my framelits is the part for the box. We're going to cut 2 of these. This one is going to be for this, only I got to do it right, the right side. And then we are going to cut the holly leaf, and we are going to use, I think I got it too close, I'm not going to be able to cut the holly out at the same time. Then we're going to use this for the holly. So let's grab the big shot. But we'll be able to cut a few of these out. So we're going to do the Ho 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 here, and we're going to do this one. So all of these are in your framelit set. Okay, let's run that through. And then we'll do the holly, and then we'll do our box. And we'll be all ready to put it together. This goes rather quickly. All right, so there's our Christmas cheer. Here's our little Ho 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 there. And then we just need to run the holly through. And you're going to need a little help with a little washi tape or a little Post-it note, because this is so small it wants to move around. And I'm just going to hold it down with that. And we're going to send that through. And I hope everyone knows that the holiday catalog is now live, so you can purchase from it. If anybody would like a catalog, if you do not have a demonstrator already and you would like a catalog, please contact me at stampingwithamore@gmail.com. You can go right to my blog and there's a contact section there. And leave your name and address for me. Alright, so we are going to run this one through, and then we got to run it through one more time for the other side. I want to put this back because I don't want to lose that little one. It's so precious. So we're going to run this one through. And we'll have our one side. That one I had too close to the edge. I need to clip it. Don't want to mess it up. Okay, and then the other one, don't keep it too close to the edge. That's what happens. This one's better. And then I want to get this one straight so these are running straighter. Okay, now that one. And then we're ready to go. And save your little scraps because this paper is flocked and it is so amazing. I've kept every little scrap of this and I just love this designer series. This is my favorite pack so far. Alright, so everything here is scored for you. So you just have to reinforce all your score marks. I did use my bone folder because, you know, when it's a box, it really, really helps to have these all reinforced really well to keep your box looking really nice. Okay, and then we'll do the same on this one. This paper is just perfect for these. You can use regular cardstock. You can use your designer series paper to make these. This designer series paper right here, this piece particularly is a little bit thicker because it's got that flocking on it. I'm going to order more of this because, like I said, I want to make them for my mom's nursing home this year. Alright, so these two smaller ones, they're going to be line up. It's going to go like this. They are going to line up opposite of each other, and these two wider ones are going to line up opposite of each other. So I'm going to use the fast fuse, but use your tear and tape. I'm going to use the tear and tape, I think, for. No, I'll go ahead and use the fast fuse to make this quicker. But use tear and tape for sure. So you're going to line that up. Make sure it's good in, and then you're going to need adhesive on all the little tabs here. This is why you want to make sure that the wider ones are opposing each other and these thinner ones are, because the little tabs fold into the next box area. I'll show you here in a minute. I'm going to use this fast fuse just to make this a little quicker. But the tear and tape fits perfect on here because I did use it for the other box. This is a little wide to be using. Alright, so this one folds up to here. Make sure you line it up really good. And this one, you can see how quick and easy these can be. And then these will fold inside. Do I have any candy around here that I could stick in there? Yeah, I have another truffle. And, oh, you could put Hershey Nuggets in here. I have a Hershey Nuggets too. So we'll just stick those in there now. But you can see there's plenty of room for more. And then these fold into each other. I don't know why I struggle with this part because it's really not hard. It just folds into each other. But look how cute! These are so cute. Alright, let's go ahead and put the rest together. So I am going to go ahead and put some ribbon on this too. So I'm using the shaded spruce, and it's the metallic ribbon combo pack. This is in our new holiday catalog. I'm using the shaded spruce like I said. I'm just going to tie a bow on here, only because I think the bow looks super cute on this box, the Christmas one. So we're going to just go ahead and make a bow. Okay, trim these. I'll probably make the bow a little bit smaller. I'll keep fooling with it until I like it exactly how. Okay, we're going to go with that for now. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the little part that says ho 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 and use some snail. You may want to use snail or wet glue. I mean, not wet glue, fast fuse, or on this part, because it is flocked here, and I wouldn't want it to fall off. I'll probably use wet glue or the fast fuse on mine. And then we're going to use some dimensionals on the back of this, and I'm going to use my ends of my dimensionals, because I ran out, and I always use every bit of these. Do not throw them away. One time I saw at a class someone throwing the ends away, and I was like, oh my gosh, no, don't throw that away. So we're going to just line that there, and here is my holly, and that's my other one. I'm just going to use some glue dots for these. I'm going to put one here. One there, and then one on the bottom, which I already got a glue dot on my finger, so we're going to just put it right there. It landed right there, but I don't want it to block my four. Just like that. But look how cute and adorable these things are. I mean, I know you're going to love this box. So if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. And for some reason, my hostess code is gone off of here. I'm always missing it, but anyway, when you go to my blog, you'll see my hostess code. If you use the hostess code, I'll put you in a drawing for Stampin' Dollars to spend at the end of the month. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone, and have a blessed day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed day, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye.